Welcome to JOEYCTV. Tonight I'm doing an alone challenge. Now Mike is doing an alone challenge. This is that property, let me preface it with this. This is that property that has the abandoned church, the abandoned assisted living facility, the abandoned daycare, and the abandoned school. Now Drina is doing an alone challenge right now at the abandoned school. Tony's also doing an alone challenge at the abandoned school. Mike will be in the assisted living facility, and I'm going to the church way way back there. So this is exciting. It's scary. There's something ominous in the air tonight, would you say?
Yeah, I'm already having problems with this camera.
Oh, really?
It won't focus.
Oh, wow.
It will not
So
focus.
Mike's camera won't focus. That's weird. You might have to use the phone.
Yeah, I might. Yeah. See,
Wow, it's way out of focus.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen it like that. I'll show you guys.
Turn it back on and everything.
Look how out of focus the camera is. That's bizarre, bro. Wow.
It will not focus.
It's funny, but the light made like a weird looking orb thing in Mike's camera. He's like, I'm not going in there. Alright, it's focusing now.
Yeah. Okay, we push forward.
Yeah. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just it needed to be adjusted.
I didn't do but turn.
It just shut off.
It shut off. It says battery exhausted. I haven't even used it.
Alright, so I'm going to run back there. Mike's going to go into the assisted living facility where he said he heard something in one of the rooms.
Yeah, I seen a light last time we was here. One of the rooms. But to do a long challenge in this sucker?
Yeah, lone challenge. Alright,
guys. I don't know how long I'm going to be in there.
Well, give me a call if you need me.
Oh, I know how to run where you at.
Alright. You're coming with. Here we go. I promised you an alone challenge at this church. And as you can see, this is the building that Mike's going to be in. There's just something so ominous about this whole property. There's the daycare back there and the church. So we're going to walk into the church. I guess this is the best way to go. So many of these little clicker things on me. Trying to situate myself. I got so many things in my pockets. I got my keys, my phone, flashlights. What a creepy, what a different feel it is being here by myself. I'd like to start this off with a prayer. I think it's appropriate, and if you care to join, that would be fantastic. Heavenly Father, I'm so grateful to you Thank you for all the opportunities in my life. Thank you for all the blessings. And thank you for even the hard times that taught me lessons. I hate to see this place like this church. We ask for your protection coming through here for myself, for those watching the video. And it's through the blood of Christ that I know I'm saved. Amen. All right, let's check it out. As always, if you hear anything, you see anything, please point it out. I'm wondering if anything had changed, and it has, actually. Oh, look at that, there's another bear right there. Interesting. All these, I forget what kind of candles these are called, like tea lights or something. So far, it doesn't look like anything at all has been moved since I've been here, except maybe when I first walked in, that foam thing that was, I don't know, maybe. I'm trying to recall. Hello? Hello? Crazy thing is, I keep thinking, and I'm not sure on this, that I'm hearing some kind of talking around me. Now, I could be totally wrong. Why is this thing? The little square is going here, not on my face. What's behind me that you're trying to focus in on camera? So there is definitely some changes, like that crib was there, I think, but I don't think it was right up on the wall like that, but maybe I'm just not remembering correctly. Hello? Don't come over this way. Yo, what was that? Who was that? Sounded like somebody was in there. It's so freaking creepy. Okay. Wait a second. Hold on. Yo. What the freak's out there? I better check this out. Oh, that's Mike at the other place. Okay. All right. My bad. Interesting. Sounds like really there's like a million voices in here to me now. Again, that could be outside interference. I don't know. I hope Mike's okay because I keep seeing his light getting closer and closer and closer. What was that? All right, Mike's in trouble or something. Let me see. He's outside here. He's coming in. That means he ran into some trouble. Yo, what's up? You all right?
Hey, yeah. Was you in the back there?
I came out the side door because I saw your light.
Oh, did it slam?
I didn't slam a door, no.
Really?
Mm-mm.
I heard the door slam.
Oh, wow. How's everything going over there? Is it?
It's alright. I ain't catch nothing though. At least that I know.
Right.
But yeah, I had stood in the room I was telling you about.
Mm-hmm.
Stood there for about 5-6 minutes. Nothing. So I walked around a little bit. Then that's when I came outside. And I was standing and I was looking in the little shed thing. That's when I heard the door shut.
Right.
And when I looked, your lights was like you was in the back part.
Yeah, I was in the back there.
Right. And then it sounded like this door slammed. And I looked, that's when I seen your light in the back. And that's what made me walk over here. Then I seen you came up front by then. Yeah. But okay.
No, you're good, man. You want to come in? Come on in.
I can. It don't matter.
Yeah. So here's the thing. I'll share this with
Let
you.
me see something real quick.
Mm-hmm.
No, it wasn't that door.
I came out the side door. I don't think it slammed, though. Maybe it did, and I didn't realize.
Yeah,
but-
it slammed hard enough. I heard it over there. Yeah.
So Mike thought he heard a door slam here. It could have been me opening the side door. I don't know. But what's weird, Mike, is when I went back there, it sounded like 1,000 voices all around me
Really?
in that middle room. You want to go check it out with me?
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it.
But yeah, the last time we was here, right? Right in this area, that's when I felt like something touched me on my head.
Mhm.
It's weird because Drini would call it on camera when I touched my head and I looked up, and there was nothing there to touch me on my head. And that was right after you said it felt like something touched you too.
Yeah, like on the back of my neck.
Yeah,
That was when we were standing right here,
Mhm.
actually.
right. Yeah. But it was in here. Look at it. Someone been drinking in the church.
Looks like it. Must have had a Heineken.
What is that? Part of security camera or something? No, it was some type of recorder thing.
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah.
I just don't understand how can they just leave a place. You would think it'd probably be taxes or something, why they leave it the way they leave it.
So bizarre.
But I didn't think.
This is the door I went out.
Yeah.
So I came in. Well, let's see. It doesn't really just. Oh wait,
Yeah, that's what
that
I
was
heard.
it. Okay,
Right.
then that's probably
Yeah,
what you
that's
heard.
probably what it was, yeah. But did you pull it back shut when you came in?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh no, I didn't. I probably just let it go like that without realizing it made a
Right.
loud
Yeah, but
noise.
that's what I had here.
I'm wondering. Literally, my pants are almost falling off me from this stuff in it. So, we could go back and check out that other place, but you want to try recording using my phone, Mike? And see if we pick up anything?
Okay. What was the place you're talking about?
We can go back to the place you were at,
Where I
yeah?
just came from?
Yeah?
Can it don't matter. Yeah, man. I didn't realize it was an attic in here. Nah. Last time we came, I didn't even look up.
I'm just going to turn this on and see what happens. Just the recording. Do you want to try and ask questions? You can if you like.
Yeah.
All right.
You want to hold it? Or is that?
You want me to? Yeah.
Is there any
Oh,
present?
you gotta hit the record.
Oh, my bad.
All right, so we'll see.
Is there any presence that's here with us? If so, could you make yourself known? Could you move something, make a bang, or talk into any of these devices? The last time we came, me and Joe was touched. Is that presence still here with us tonight? If you are, I thought I just heard a deep breath. If you are, why don't you touch us?
All right, let's listen to this back and see, maybe it's possible we may have caught something.
Are you live? Is there any presence that's here with us? If so, could you make yourself known? Could you move something, make a bang, or talk into any of these?
Something goes, no.
We'll see. Is there any presence that's here with us? If so, could you make yourself known? Could you move something, make a bang, or talk into any of these devices? What keep making the moving sound? That noise there.
Not sure.
The last time we came, me and Joe was touched. Is that presence still here with us tonight? If you are, I thought we just heard a deep breath. If you are, why did you touch us? Just heard something.
So it's inconclusive, but we keep hearing stuff. To me, it sounds like there were whispers around me when I first came in here.
Well, what is it knocking on the recorder? He wasn't moving.
Yeah. It's strange. It's good
And we
checking
didn't hear
out.
it by ear either.
Yeah. That is weird. So in that back room, not the back room, the back building, I picked up something that said "thank you."
Really? Was that baby doll still back there?
I don't know. I think there was a few dolls back there.
Is that a screen?
Yes. There's nothing back there but abandoned buildings.
No, we had. Oh no, jeez. We gonna be able to see out of here. The back door. Let me see out here.
Man, there's so much stuff all over this place.
There is a light over there. But it sounded like it was in this area. See, there's a light back over. Is that a light?
Yeah.
Right there? See it between the trees?
That's way out off the property though.
Yeah, but it sounded like it was right out here. And we heard both of it, that clear as day. It sounded like a girl scream.
Yeah, it was definitely a scream.
Yeah. I'm
You
sure we
wanna-
had to pick that up.
I think both cameras would have picked that up. It was
Right,
pretty
yeah.
loud. You want to check this building out? Then we'll go maybe to the other place. And man, it's a sad state of affairs seeing this place like this, man.
Yeah. This is supposed to be a worship place.
Mm-hmm.
It's a worship. No. Not to not to question, the Lord or nothing like that, but why would he allow his house to get like this,
I'm not sure. That's the age-old question, right?
Alright.
Something about this place is not sitting well with me. I don't know why.
That's good, dog. There was a dog in my box right there, and Tony had
I
picked it
think
up.
Tony brought it in the church, in the main church.
Oh, that's what it protected.
Yeah.
If there's a present here, could you please make yourself known? Could you please move something? Make a bang, make a knock. Are you upset with the way they treated your place of worship?
So it doesn't look like anything's really been moved in here that I can tell.
Well, I'm gonna stop recording and we'll call. Make sure they're okay down there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good idea.
Then I might get mad because she lied.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
true.
you know what? I can just check on live, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So this is the outside of the church, the other side of the outside of the church.
Okay.
My camera shut off because I hit 30 minutes, I'm sure is why it shut off.
Somebody back here is a teacher.
Oh, really? She looks like she could be a teacher, right?
Right?
All right, so I guess Mike and I are going to walk back here now to, this is, I think Mike knows more of the story, but apparently this is like an assisted facility, a living facility for senior citizens, or was at one time. And I guess as the story goes, Mike, there was a woman that passed in there or something?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what the app said. And then it's weird because when we was here last time, I seen orbs and everything in that room, but tonight it wasn't nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if we could go through it real quick, and then we'll go get Drina, huh? What? You all right?
Thought I heard something behind. Hey, who are you talking to?
Are you okay back there?
I answered that question one time, lady. You ready? Hold
Yeah.
on.
Let's do it.
Oh, shit. Spider web. I just realized you were scared out there. You heard me?
Behind this place?
Yeah, right there right next to the gun over there, the shed. I just realized that tonight.
Oh, I didn't see that either.
See right there?
Oh, yeah. I didn't see that either last time.
Yeah, but it's been there a while. You can tell that.
That's the daycare over there.
Yeah.
And then this is the... So the app was where you got the information about the woman passing here?
Yeah.
Is what it said?
Yeah.
Okay.
We actually was someone passed there and it said yes.
So that's... So we don't know, you know, if the app's accurate, obviously, but there definitely is a creepiness about this place. Oh, she worried about us, man.
Yeah.
I don't remember all of these clothes being here.
No. About what, half a mile?
Alright, so when Mike was here, he said he felt really spooked out. Now, I didn't capture really anything here when I was here, but just curious now that we're together if there is anything here.
Yeah, it's the room right here.
This room?
This room right here. Man, hot right up in that area.
Yeah, it
right
is.
here. This room here. I was hoping that ball moved, but I tried to get it to move, but nobody would mess with it.
Definitely has a weird odor in here.
Yeah, yeah. But it's weird, right? When I first walked in, I didn't smell nothing. But when I was going out in that area, the kitchen,
Yeah.
I smelled like a musk smell.
Yeah, there's definitely a musky smell. I got all these things stuck in my socks, man. Those pricker things.
little guy.
Yikes.
Yeah, we got
Oh yeah, little gecko.
Yeah, Gecko.
Gecko gecko.
Yeah. Yeah, but I was standing here, man. I was standing here. First I seen an orb. I mean, it just floated like real slow, not like dust. It went real slow. And then I seen a light come through the window. And I was like, well, no car wouldn't have been back there. So
Right.
no car couldn't have caused it. So I don't know. Yeah. But this is the room. But I tried to get the fan to turn. I asked all kind of questions, nothing. So I went in here, asked questions in here, nothing. So was that your? Just heard a car horn. You didn't hear it?
Yeah, I think that might be the apartment complex, maybe.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, but nothing. What time was we came here last time? Wasn't it?
I think it was around the same
At the
time.
same time, right? Because I was just thinking earlier when I was in here, could it be a residual haunting? But I don't remember what time we had came before. But yeah, nothing tonight. I was hoping something scared the shit out of me.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it was just dry here tonight.
So, and these pants have fallen
But,
off.
see, but that's the thing about, going to a lot of these haunted places or places we think is haunted. Some days you'll get great activity, sometimes you won't.
Right. That's the way it goes.
Yeah. Yeah, but then when you get home and you do your editing and all that type of stuff, you hear all kinds of shit.
So hot in there.
Could you move one of the cabinets?
They are a little straighter than what they are there, huh?
Could you make a knock or a bang?
Oh, it looks like it. That's weird. So if you look at the cabinets in the foreground and the ones in the right here in the front on Mike's video, they
Yeah,
are a
they're
little
straight.
different than they
Yeah.
were.
See?
That's
Just-
interesting.
That's crazy, bro.
How's Drina doing? She okay?
Yeah. Yeah, well, she was alive. Well,
She's still alive?
I'm gonna see now.
Tony's got a setup, boy. Tony has some stuff. So
She's just talking. She's not investigating. Huh?
She's, yeah.
Yeah, she's just talking. She got 29 people on.
All right, so what I might do is I might walk back through the church just one last time to
Okay.
conclude this.
What I'm gonna do, Joe? I'm gonna do a long challenge and walk down the road back up there where they at.
Okay, so I'll meet you.
Yeah.
All right, so
You gonna be good?
yeah, so Mike's gonna head back. He's gonna walk and film back to where Drina and Tony are. I'm gonna go back to the church, then get my car and go get them. So I'll see you in a few.
Okay, bro.
All right,
be careful,
bro.
man.
Yeah, I will. All right, so. See how far the church is?
Don't forget about that ditch in the evening, bro.
Oh yeah, thank you. All right, I'm gonna go through one more time because I think that Mike was worried because of the door slam, so he came over here. And you know, when something happens like that, where somebody feels like they're threatened or whatever the case may be, or that I'm being threatened, so that changed the dynamic of the alone challenge. So I'm going to go back for a few more minutes and let's see what we can capture, if anything. So Mike is long gone by now, heading back down the road. I'm pretty much a sitting duck, completely by myself now. And let's go back through. It's weird. Oh. What the hell? Pants are falling off me. What's really creepy and weird is when I was turning around trying to pan the camera slowly, I felt like I was frozen for a second. It looked like, I feel like I'm hallucinating. It looked like to me that was moving, and it's clearly not. this is looking like a, I don't know, like a chicken foot or something. Hello? Yo, I'm tripping out in here. What the hell? Okay. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Nothing here, Joe. Nothing here. Okay. So what was once a place of worship is now, to me, a sad, sad place. I can't wait to play this back. Seems to me as if something is here, not nice. It's weird, when I was sitting in that chair, I was looking at that blanket, and it looked like the blanket was going like this. Like, I don't know if I'm overtired or what. Also thought I heard a bunch of voices in here. Again, I gotta go. Catch up with Mike, get Drina, Tony. Hope you enjoyed this. It was meant to be an alone challenge, but the circumstance changed in the middle, but I still think I've got at least 30 minutes of footage of me being alone here anyway. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let me go while it gets good. Love and peace. Let's get out of here. Bye, teddy bear. Peace to you. It's a totally different story now, me leaving here without anybody in close vicinity. So that makes it a whole different situation. But that's what an alone challenge is, and I honestly know Mike was very spooked out about going in this place tonight, into that adult living facility. I think he was very concerned with last time he was there. He seemed to think he heard like voice maybe, and definitely talked about an orb and some lights, and suffice it to say, there's some very not so nice people in this area around here. It's not such a great neighborhood, and that's a risk you take coming to places. But anyway, there was just a noise in there. What the hell? Alright guys, go in love, go in peace. Hope you enjoyed this video. Time for me to fly. Peace out. For me, it does not get much cooler than this. This is a pre-1966 or older Volkswagen that's sitting in front of this business. It's cut in half. It's rusty. But man, is it cool. Look at this. Volkswagen Beetle was my all-time favorite car from being a kid. I honestly thought that Volkswagens, when I was really little, like were really alive because of the movie Herbie the Love Bug. Anyway, check this out. Man, what an amazing thing. I really like the headlights. See, they have that extra lens over the headlight. That's from 1966 and older Volkswagens. That's how you could tell. Now, I don't know what year this one is, but wow. I just love this, guys. Sitting right here under Old Glory. Look at that. Wow. Part of history here. Now, I don't know what this business does. I don't know why this is here. Never seen it before till today. But man, what a cool thing. See you later, Herbie.